Hey friends, Anuradha this side. So in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the email outbound settings in Suitecrm. In the last tutorial we have discussed about the email configuration and how many types of email settings we have in Suitecrm. And now in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the email outbound settings separately in these tutorials. Now let's jump to our computer screen. Here you can see, as we have discussed in last tutorials, in admin section we have email section separately for configuration of emails. Here you can see the email setting, and now we are going to discuss about the email settings, configure email setting, this particular option. So when you click over here, you will redirect to this window. Here you can see the from name. Okay, you can enter the from name. It can be anything. It can be Anuradha, it can be test, it can be no reply, anything you want. Okay, and this would be the address, okay, from where you are sending this email. Importantly, now we have these email providers. We have default into Suitecrm. You can set the Gmail, Yahoo, Microsoft Exchange and other. According to your email provider, whatever you are using, whatever email provider you are using, you can, configure accordingly into Suitecrm. But the main thing is very important. You have to set each and every setting correctly, otherwise it will not work. Here I have configured the SMTP Office 365 and the port we are using 587. Here you can check the SSL and TLS, okay, the enable SMTP over SSL or TSL settings. Use SMTP authentication. Username. This is the username and this is a password. Okay, whatever username and password you are using into your email provider, you just have to mention over here also. And the number of other settings we have into our Suitecrm. Here you can send test. Okay, here you can see these configurations are correct or not. It is checking and performing the task. Here you can see the one pop-up will automatically come if the configurations are correct. Here you can see send test email. An email sent to your specified email address using the provided code outgoing email settings. Please check to see if the email was received to verify the settings are correct or not. If you receive the emails, means the settings are correct. If you are not receiving an email and there is authentication not correct, this type of a warning or errors are showing over this pop-up, that it means your configuration is not in correct way. Okay, so here this type of message you have to receive. Okay, now we have other options also over here, like assignment, notification, and delete related notes, attachment with deleted. So these all settings also we have into Suitecrm. You can set according to your requirement. So friends, the majorly these settings are highly concerned into Suitecrm, that must be correct to configure to outgoing mail servers. Now I hope you understand how we can configure the email settings into Suitecrm. Thank you so much for watching my channel, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you so much.